GT3 RS. You were spinning the tires and you fucking chopped him.
Hey, so we're gonna try some BDSMR. Can I hear you pump?
It got turned off.
Oh!
Near me.
So what are you doing here, Nate? Big Nate dog?
I'm just pumping fluids into a hole. Classic.
You do that often?
Classic Thursday night, you know.
And do you often watch him pump fluids?
Yeah, and it always goes in that easy.
Yeah, well, you know, gotta keep it lubricated.
That's it.
He just put in dry.
Yeah, well, you know, sometimes there's a loose fitting in the flange.
This is a safe word. Harder.
Ha!
Spitting on it.
Ha!
You're hungry, you're eating the mic.
I got so excited before I think I punched myself in the mouth. I've got like a swollen lip.
Guess you're not been feeding you.
Oh, yeah. I got pegged at Slim's.
What?
I got pegged. When you order a meal over there, they close the lid of the bag with a peg.
Right.
And I just like pull the peg off. I was just looking at how I've been pegged at Slim's. Oh. Shit, they're stuck now. Fucking hell. You're a mad skid. So you've dropped the bottom bolt out of the coilover?
We're going to do it now, yeah.
And just rotate it down.
This will help my GoPro see.
There's a new performance shop on the Gold Coast for parts and shit. Have you seen it? So you just jacked up the back left?
Yep, about 6 mil.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I helped him jack it off.
Perfect. And I watch you both jack off.
He spit on it for me.
I mean, that's what you're into, Drew. You love watching people.
That's right, yeah. I love watching people do things that I tell them to do. It's kind of a kink of mine. Like, I'm not a homosexual, it's just a dominancy.
Yeah. You like taking control.
That's right.
Big brother. Watch everything.
Everything's all tight.
Yeah, this way I like it.
I'm
we
all
sure?
loose, baby.
Are we sure?
If the suspension comes off, it's not my fault.
Yeah.
What's this boost?
That's full, that's back quarter throttle.
You're on high boost now. It's
Yeah,
hooking.
yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
That high boost,
Yeah, back quarter throttle, high boost.
you can feel it really cool.
Oh yeah,
It sinks you back in the seat.
it's definitely different.
Yeah, the torque just hits.
Yeah.
Like-
Imagine with two people on it. On one person.
Well, look, I'm 130 kilos, so like,
I'm
technically
like,
weights.
like 90.
Imagine with two little Japanese dudes in it. Woo. What's how big's that intake pipe? Is it 4-inch?
4-inch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get that nice deep.
Big 4-incher. 4-inch downpipe.
So what's the speed limit?
120, 130 lenient.
Oh,
But
that's,
they can't catch you down the straight.
That's this straight. You kind of got to be careful. Back straight, they can't see
yeah,
shit.
they can't do enough.
Oh, we got the coppers coming for us. He's waiting on the bend.
They weren't really.
who's he gonna get?
Someone's up your ass. They want to pull up next to you. Walking the Lambo.
What people there, baby?
With 4 people in the car.
Just walk the fucking Lambo.
Yeah, corners aren't good.